This is a slug. And this is a slug. Slugs, bothersome pests, unwanted. And though they are small, they can cause a lot of damage. Just like slugs in the garden, slugs produced in manufacturing can also be destructive. When the slug is not retained in the stamping process, they can pull back up onto the surface and cause damaged or broken die details, costing thousands of dollars, lost productivity, rejected parts, and even the loss of valuable customers. During the stamping process, slugs can begin to pull at any stage of the run. Even after a few hundred successful pieces, slugs can begin to cause problems, despite your best efforts to stop them. Whether or not the punch has an ejector pin, the opening is carburized, or if you rooftop it. Fortunately, there's now a simple way to avoid these costly setbacks. DTC Products now offers a quick and effective solution for the expensive problem of slug pulling: the Slug Retention Portable Machine. Now you can bring the patented Slug Retention Machine to your own worksite to address the problems caused by pulled slugs. The SlugKeeper machine uses a pneumatically powered grinder to precisely machine a small angled groove into the sidewall of the die cavity in a stamping die. A micrometer coupled to the drive of the machine's slide enables precise movement of the machine's carriage to enable the depth of the slug retention groove to be precisely controlled. The groove is machined to create an exact amount of interference. During the stamping operation, slugs expand into these precision grooves, which prevents them from pulling back up to the top of the die block and onto the die surface, where they can cause damage to the strip, the final part, even to the die itself. This solution helps reduce downtime by eliminating the need to stop the press to remove slugs out of the die or having to start a new strip. It also eliminates the significant costs associated with sorting parts looking for slug marks. The retention grooves can be machined into the die openings while the die is still in the press, resulting in even greater savings by eliminating the need to remove the die from the press, disassemble it, and return it back to the press. The SlugKeeper can be used on die blocks, die inserts, and die bushings in the tool room, as well as on a die while it's in the press. This same amazing machine can also be used to put grooves into guided stripper openings to vent an opening, reducing the section caused by the retraction of the punch. Because the founders of DTC Products also own DTC Products Corporation, which is a leading designer and builder of tools, dies, jigs, and fixtures since 1982, its owners have successfully tested the reliability of the slug retention grooves in all of the dies they build and have reaped the benefits personally. DTC is also the manufacturer of the Slug Retention Machine. Yes, right here in the USA. So their many years of quality tooling goes into each machine made. Lightweight and portable, the SlugKeeper can be easily set up and operated by a single person. This unit measures less than 10 inches high, requires only a compressed air connection to operate, and comes with multiple diameter bits and supplementary tools. A magnetic base allows it to be mounted temporarily but firmly in place on the die surface during the grooving operation. When it's not in use, the SlugKeeper can be kept handy in its sturdy carrying case, ready for the next task. Put an end to the costly delays, lost productivity, and rejected parts. Call DTC Products today and learn how you can order your own slug retention machine. Like slugs in the garden, slugs in the stamping process are part of the landscape. Keep them under your control with the SlugKeeper.